What is an SMS code?
Hello, and welcome to our short video on understanding SMS codes. You've probably encountered these before, whether in online registration processes or two-factor authentication systems. Let's dive in and learn more about what an SMS code really is.
What is an SMS code?
SMS codes, also known as verification codes or OTPs, one-time passwords, are temporary passcodes sent via text message to a mobile device. These codes are often used in online verification processes and provide an additional layer of security known as two-factor authentication, 2FA.
Why are SMS codes important?
The importance of SMS codes lies in their ability to enhance the security of your online accounts. By requiring a code that is sent directly to your mobile device, websites and apps ensure that the person attempting to access the service has physical access to the registered phone number. This prevents unauthorized access even if someone else knows your password.
How to use an SMS code?
Using an SMS code is typically very straightforward. Once requested, you'll receive a text message with the code. You then input this code into the appropriate field on the website or app that requested it. Please remember, these codes are usually time-limited, so use the code promptly after receiving it. Also, never share these codes with others as they're meant to secure your account. And there you have it. A quick rundown on what SMS codes are and why they're important for maintaining the security of your online accounts. Always remember, SMS codes are your ally in defending against unauthorized access. Thanks for watching, and stay safe online.